Welcome sa video natin. Today, tuturo ko sa iyo kung paano ba natin gamitin yung screenshot. Kasi nga, may mga clients kasi na gusto nila makita yung mga work ninyo. And, kasi for example, may sinasabi sila, Jay, can you please send me a screenshot of this? Parang ganun. So, kailangan mo mag-screenshot. Though may mga apps naman tayo sa mga laptop and or sa PC natin, may mga tools naman tayo on how to screenshot. Pero it's easier for you kasi once you are in Google Chrome, pwede natin gamitin tong awesome screenshot. Ito na app. So, ang gamit ng kung paano ba natin gagamitin to. So, example, ito yung trabaho natin. Let's say for example, hanap tayo ng um, ano ba topic? Hanap tayo ng mga, let's say for example, LinkedIn. I-type natin dyan. So, kung let's say for example, ito yung hinahanap ng boss mo, and you want to take a screenshot, and if your boss wants to take a screenshot, all you need to do is click here dyan, and then click mo yung capture, and then select mo yung selected area kung saan mo gusto ipa-screenshot, kung gusto niya yung whole screen or ito lang na part. Let's say for example, ito lang na part ang gusto niyang ipakita, then and then i-click mo yung capture, and then once maklik mo yung capture, i-automatic siya, mag-open siya into a new tab na pwede mong magamit as, pwede mo siyang i-edit yung picture. So, say for example, ito na yun siya. Pwede mo na siya i-click ng done pag okay na, and then, isend mo lang yung copy or save as mo as image or copy. Let's say for example, save as mo as image. Ma-save mo yan siya as JPEG or yan, PNG. So, pwede mo siya save, or you can just simply copy this and then send it to whatever social media na meron kayo sa communication nyo. So, what if you want to, parang gusto mo mag-blur or gusto mo lagyan ng indication or lagyan mo ng mga arrow. So, pwede mo siyang balikan. Let's say for example dito. And then, i-click mo lang tong parang tubig or parang drop lang tubig. Ang purpose niyan is ma-blur mo yung person. Then, boom. So, pwede mo na isend yan sa boss mo. Or kung gusto niyo pang lagyan ng parang arrow, i-click mo lang tong arrow na parang gusto mo ma-indicate yung dyan, dyan, ganun. Then, and then kung gusto mo lagyan ng box, click mo tong box, boom. Or gusto mo lagyan ng circle, pwede mo siyang ganyan. And then, pwede mo siyang ma-move. And ito, pwede mo rin siyang ma-move ata, I think. Hindi pala. So, yan, drop. And kung gusto mo lagyan ng text, let's say for example, dyan, i-click mo lang yung letter A. And then, I mean, here. Ito na letter A. And then, i-click mo yan. And then, lagyan mo yan. Here's the screenshot. Parang gano'n. Okay, so, then, i-move mo. Yan. And, pwede mo siyang ma-move yung arrow naman. Let's say, for example, here. And then, click mo yan. And, kung gusto mo na naman mag-blur, lagyan mo ng blur dyan. Dyan. Yun, kung gusto mo ma-fix yung size ng mga arrows mo, let's say for example dyan, di ba lumiliit? Kung times 6, ito rin. The same thing will happen kung lagyan mo ng square yung level ng ano lang. Okay? So, yeah, the good thing about this is once you're done with this, kung gusto mo na ipakita yung point mo sa boss mo kapag hindi mo na-explain through chat, you can just simply send him or her a screenshot of your work. And then this app is actually one of the best app na ginamit ko. I've been using this Google extension for maybe 5 years already. So, in order for you to do that, to install that one, example, done ka na dito, you just can click on done and then save mo lang sa image or copy it and send it to Skype or kung saan ka nag-communicate ng boss mo. So, very basic lang din guys. If you want to download an extension, you can just simply go to more tools and then click mo yung extensions and then click mo yung open Google Chrome Web Store, and then i-type mo tong ang pangalan ng extension natin is awesome screenshot. There you go. Boom, check mo yan. And then, ito na. So, pwede mo na siyang i-download yan. Okay? And pwede ka rin actually, pwede mo rin siya, maka-video ka rin. Right? Let's for example, this one, record. And start mo rin yung record. Pero, kailangan mo tong mag-sign in ka pa ng, it's actually free naman din. So, you can just simply sign in using your Google Chrome. I mean, using your Gmail and then you're good to go. So, yeah. Ito yung isa sa mga tools natin nga kailangan natin gamitin as a virtual assistant. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching this video and let me know if you have any questions about this. Thank you.